So, my friends, you can see you can get some really amazing results when you use the tools that I have for you at philc.net. You now have the idea pad, but that's not all. I want to show you another crazy thing that you can do with the idea pad. It's very exciting. So, over here, you've got the drum kit. But if you look a little bit closer, you can see the letters of the alphabet Z, X, C. What does all that mean? Well, this means if you hit Z on your keyboard, you'll be able to hit the kick drum. And if you hit X, you can play. And you know the other cool thing, like down here, let me zoom all the way out. So over here, you've got the start record button. So all you need to do is start off a brand new recording by hitting start recording, and then take a listen to what I'm going to do with just the pads, not even the drum machine, just the pads. Here we go. Very simple recording, right? If I take that recording and put it into Suno, just vanilla flavored, dump it into Suno. Watch this. There's our Neon Session 4. Hit save, hit cover, hit continue. And all we're going to do is give it a simple prompt from, again, over here in our AI tools. Let's go to environment generator. And let's just take the simplest of all, something along the hip hop realm. Hit generate prompt and copy. We're just going to make this very simple for the illustration. Overwrite the lyrics because there are no lyrics in there. It's an instrumental. And we're just going to give it a very basic hip hop prompt. We're going to make sure the audio influence is all the way up because you want to hear the influence of what you're doing. And this, we'll kind of tone it back to around 70s and just say Neon 4 and hit create. See, that was a beat I was giving it. Even a little bit of my strange timing. Wow. That makes my drumming sound like $1 million. Wow. Woo! That sounds dope. Yeah. Isn't that wild? Ooh. That is ridiculous, my friends. That is ridiculous. Let's go back to the pad. I want to do one more style with the pads. Okay. And let's see. This time I use a different kit. I want to do something neo-soulish. Now, I'll share a tip with you. If you really want to get your true tempo, don't listen to what you're playing with the headset all the way on. You can kind of keep it, but the reason is when you strike one of the letters on your keyboard, there is a delay, so it kind of messes you up if you are trying to get into the groove. It kind of sounds like you're late. So just go with what you are playing on the keyboard, the computer keyboard as opposed to what you are hearing. And that's why um, once I know where my kit is, I'm not going to keep this on my head. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record, and then I'm going to record this neo soul groove I've got in my head. I got to do it again because I'm still hearing it. You know, I'm actually going to mute. I'm actually going to mute it so I don't even hear it. Okay, here we go. Let's start recording again. This time I'm not going to hear what's coming from the computer. Okay, let's go ahead and stop. And because I really wasn't hearing everything I was playing. Let's go back into Suno and let's bring it in again. Let's bring it in, bring it in. All right, so I brought in that groove that I played. Let's listen. Yeah, you see that weird kind of off time. That's what I'm yeah. And that's deliberate. I want the meter to be all over the place. If you know that vibe, that Philly vibe, it's kind of off, but it's there. It's on the meter, but it sounds like it's not. All right, so now we're going to go into AI music tools, environment generator, neo soul right there, chilled and relaxed, slow and lazy. Let's make it a complex and intricate melody. Let's make it kind of jazz influenced and uh, syncopated and groovy. Instrumentation. I like it when it's acoustic. Um, let's see. Yeah, let's see. We could experiment with a couple. And then I want raw and lo-fi or clean and modern. Warm vinyl. These are all great. They're all good. Um, let's go for clean and modern first. Let's generate the prompt. Let's copy that prompt and let's go into Suno and cook this thing up. Let's cook this thing up. All right. So let's get rid of the previous style. Put this one in. The lyrics. Huh. Let's see. Let's do an instrumental first. Okay. I'll tone down the audio influence to the 80s and I'll crank up the style influence bit. Okay. And let's hit create and let's see what it does with that. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Here we go. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh my, it's ridiculous. Yeah. That's it. That's the feel. Just the drums suggested this. Ridiculous. He's going to town. Yeah. I can't even get a line in there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's it. That's it right there. That is the feel, man. That is the feel. Yeah. Woo. Mm. Let's put something in there. I have no idea what key it is. Yeah. Woo. What? Is that all you're gonna give me? That was sick, man. I enjoyed that. I was getting ready. I was firing my synth up. I was getting my synth fired up. Oh my goodness. I was getting ready to play. I was getting ready. Well, my friends, I hope you've had as much fun as I have just checking out this new idea pad.